Hello, I am Dr. Nilaksha Prakash Patil and I am a veterinary doctor and I have done my graduation, that is BBSc and AH from Nagpur. I have got to know about Train of Brain program by Akhilesh sir. He taught various exercises, various methods of developing our. Firstly, he made us confident. Then we started our session. We firstly we did everything that we were doing from our childhood, the way we were writing, reading, everything. Then he taught us several methods in which we can improve ourselves. And by doing this, gradually, we came to the point. Within these 10 hours, we came at this point that we are confident and we have developed ourselves from the morning till the evening in a very we can say positive way, and now we are confident that we will do wonders in our lives by practicing this thing. Here is my result. So in the starting we had our normal reading session. We were made to do this within 1 minute, and then after that for 1 minute 50 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes time period, 10 minutes time period. In this way we had our sessions, and in this way we were after completion of each session, we were counting the words we had read, we have grasped. Then we were according to the practice, we then gave our points on the comprehension and retention skills. Initially we were having less comprehensive and retention ability, but after doing these exercises and the methods which Akhilesh sir taught us, we made a lot of improvement over here. And now at the end of the day, here are my results. I was firstly I was able to read 147 words in 1 minute, and at the last time in 1 minute I could read 1500 words, so that was a vast difference. And in 10 minutes I could read 25 paragraphs, so that was a major difference over here. So thank you Akhilesh sir for this session.
मेरा नाम ऐशना है, मैं टोमोए में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं अभी 10th क्लास में हूँ, अभी मेरी बोर्ड्स एग्ज़ाम्स है। मुझे अखिलेश सर के थ्रू पता चला कि स्पीड रीडिंग के कोर्स के बारे में, और जब मैं ये कोर्स में आई आज, तो तब मेरी स्पीड रीडिंग जो थी वो काफ़ी कम थी, और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन रिटेंशन जो था वो भी काफ़ी कम था। और जब सर ने मुझे 9 to 10 आवर्स में उन्होंने सिखाया, तो उसमें काफ़ी मतलब 10 मिनट्स में मैं नियर अबाउट 1 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ विथ रिमेम्बरिंग एंड विथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग।
Your school chapter?
School chapters.
Good.
And here you can see my results. Here when I came to this class, firstly he asked us to read in our normal speed. तो तब मैं 129 वर्ड्स पर मिनट रीड कर पाई, और 50% कॉम्प्रिहेंशन था, 10% रिटेंशन था, क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट बुक थी। और जब आर्टिकल सर ने न्यू पढ़ने बोला, तब 89 वर्ड्स पर मिनट पढ़े मैंने, और 10% रिटेंशन था, 2 to 5% रिटेंशन था। और एंड ऑफ द डे में जब सर ने पढ़ने लगाया, तब एक चैप्टर मैंने 10 मिनट्स में पढ़ा था, वो उसमें मेरा माइंड मैपिंग वगैरह सब लिख के हो गया था। वैसे रीडिंग तो मेरा 7 to 8 मिनट्स में हो गया था, और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन 98% और रिटेंशन 95%। तो इसलिए मैं अखिलेश सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ इसके लिए, कि जो मेरे बोर्ड्स के एग्ज़ाम में काफ़ी काम आ सकता है। और ये क्लास करने के बाद मैं काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट फील करती हूँ। तो थैंक यू अखिलेश सर।
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Indraini Ladvikar, and I'm 18 years old, and I'm doing mechanical engineering. Right now I'm doing a polytechnic. So I got information of this session, Train of Brain, from Akhilesh sir, and I'm really happy right now to do this because I got really confidence on myself within this one day. और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है and thank you. I should say thank you Akhilesh sir for this session because he take a lot of efforts I think, and that's why I was really happy and right now I feel really confident on myself for especially for my studies, for my readings, for my speed readings and all. And here I like to share my results with you. So this is my results from starting the day we are starting this, and आप लोग देख सकते हो this is बहुत ज़्यादा कम थे पहले मेरा comprehension, मेरा retention और मेरा I am able to read 990 words
In a minute.
And you can see the results of the comprehension and retention here. Like comprehension is almost 100.
Oh, great.
And the retentions is about a 90%.
Great.
And I'm really happy with that. And again, thank you so much, Akhilesh sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Divya Agarwal and I am now starting my 10th standard and I am from UP Bulandshahr. I specially came to attend this session in Maharashtra, Amravati, and I want to show you my progress results. From starting, my normal reading speed was 147 words in 1 minute, and after the session, I can read 687 words in 1 minute 40 seconds, and from full techniques, I can read 770 words in 3 minutes. From the end of the session, I can read a full chapter in 10 minutes, 21 paras with a 95% comprehension and 97% retention. So I want to thank you Akhilesh sir for the session, and it was very nice session. Thank you.
Myself Gargit Shikokar. I am first year student of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. I came across yesterday about this session by Akhilesh sir. So without delay I joined today, and I didn't expect this much progress, but it happened really because of various techniques that sir taught us today, which I was unaware of this. That we can read very fast within a minute with all understanding, remembering, and I am feeling very confident, happy, and this is my progress report. First, in 1 minute, my reading was about 162 words per minute, but by techniques taught by sir, my progress goes increasing about 1011 words per minute, and I think this is not possible without sir.
Okay.
At the end of the day, my comprehension is about 95%, and retention is also 90%.
95% and words?
Words
Full chapter
in 10 minutes with understanding and remembering.
With understanding and remembering in 10 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
And how do you feel about the course?
I feel very confident about my reading, and I'm sure this will help in my academic and my future career.
Fine.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.